Marshall! Ano Marshall? Pagyo ka, kapitan nyo. Ano Marshall, naugagay mo ayun yung block nyo. So at the starting gate, we have the 65cc class. Arena si Totoy Malay. Aloy Pivoso at the pride of Pasig City.
Yes, the pride of Pasig. And coming up next, we have the Pro Veterans class. Okay, so Pro Veterans class, get ready.
On the waiting area. Attention all beginner production. Beginner production, kindly prepare. Brother Will, 65cc na ba?
Yes, dito na, nakaligyan na.
So ilang riders sa mga rider?
So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12. We have 12, 2, 4, 8, 10 only. We have only 10 riders.
And you know, the 65cc class is the future of Philippine autocross. So nakikita natin dito, gaano magaling yung mga susunod na mga riders natin na magiging pro riders. So Dylan Fabian is getting the whole shot today, pero may sumusunod sa kanya itong rider ng malakas, number 23. Oh. Ano is, nandito sa number 33, watch out for the skid.
Ang bato yan ang Pasig. Ang bato ng Pasig City yan. So, tignan natin.
Dylan Fabian is leading the race right now. So, Maloy is now 4th place. Makikita natin yung aggressiveness ni Kaloy. Talagang he is trying his best to get closer to the top 3 riders in front of him.
Pangatlo si EJ Kulot. Pangatlo si EJ. Right behind si EJ Kulot.
Final, I think wala si EJ Kulot dito because EJ Kulot is riding the this class. So dito is only 12 years old. Wala. Right now, Dylan is leading the race. Talagang medyo malayo-layo yung gap because Dylan Fabian is a very fast rider. Dylan Fabian is one of mga riders natin sa BM111 Racing. He is already riding with me since he was a 50cc class rider.
Okay, taking the lead, Fabian, followed by Mix and Nael on third. Pangatlo na ngayon si Rael Boy. And Kaboy, fourth. Second, sorry.
So this is the time lap. 65 below and pag medyo makakagawad ka, mahihirapan ka dito sa pagkakas dahil
minutes before 12. Next to go will be the Pro mid class. Okay, so dyan na, nagkagala na ngayon ang mga Pro veterans. Pakpak!
He's born and raised in Tarlac. And he is the youngest rider of Yamaha Philippines and Yamaha Philippines BM100 hanggang sa racing team ko kasi Dilo Magyan. Since 2016 na siya. Brother, the sacrifice rider number 23. Ako kaya sa rider sa papel.
Yung pangalawa ay pinapatuloy dyan, si Ryle Buok. Si Ryle Buok is now second place following Dylan Fabian. Medyo may sumit lang yata si Ryle Buok. Tingnan natin kung makakapitalize pa yung third place kanina dito.
Yan, nakuha na siya ni number 22. And nakuha na rin siya ni number 33.
Okay, Bisoso. Okay, so nag-third ngayon si Bisoso. Pangaloy.
Si Calento number 23. So Calento is now third place dahil sumenta nga ito si number 23. So we still have, I think, 2 laps to go before the race ends. And the pride of Pasig City is now in the podium, third place. Australia de la Costa del todo. Ito medyo may...
Okay, brother Boards. White flag na tayo, brother Boards.
This is the white flag of the 5-6 class. Stage this is last year here in the 65 class. So next year, mag-85cc na siya. Quite a dominant performance by Dylan Fabian. Oh, this number 22 is also jumping the double. So tingnan natin kung kaya ni Kaloy itong dalawang double na to.
I think Kaloy is riding a safe race because he already know na pasok na siya sa top 3. Sa podium finishers dito sa first heat. Okay, congratulations! Dylan Fabian.
So, Dylan Fabian gets to win, followed by
Tapos sa Kaloy doon?
Mix.
Tapos sa
Number 22. Okay, ito na ating profit. Of course, Ben Aguilar. Ayan. Epic Bar.
Akay gamay-gamay, galing dito kami.
Santa Caligacion.
Nagbiring, Doroya, kamot niya. Dapat ka rin na. Nanay na.
the Pro Veterans class, you have 7 laps.